Your feet. Diri yan. Sulod.
Please don't make me sakit. Don't make it sakit.
Okay. This is agwa oksinada. Hoy, why man?
That hurts.
Yeah, really, it hurts. Wait lang. Okay.
So, ow.
Ato ang tambalan limpyo ra man og agwa oksinada and then the betadine. After that, the betadine. Okay, wait lang. Aqua oksinada nagbubbles na because there's so many yung man sakit. Okay, wait lang. Limpyuhan man ang bubbles
Don't touch it.
Okay. I won't. Okay, the other one. Then we have to put this one, the betadine. Okay? Betadine. This one. Agwa oksinada man na, di ba? Bula og ayo kay may virus. This one. Basta betadine is okay. Tangan na yun.